Hello, I'm here to show you how to access Teams um, on the first day of school. Whenever you came to deployment day, we made a shortcut down here for Canvas. So I'm going to click on Canvas and it's going to take me to my dashboard, but I want to go to this page right here where it says 2020-2021 FY01 Monday through Friday, second grade. You may also have all of these here, but we just want to go to second grade because that is the main page you're going to be on. Here is my home page. So you're going to scroll down the home page and it says click here to go to Teams. So I'm going to click on that button. Okay, so this says open Microsoft Teams. Always open these types of links in the associated app. I don't want to open Microsoft Teams because I have an app which you all don't yet unless you figured out how to do that. But it's okay if you don't have the app. It's just easier if you do. So I'm going to hit just cancel and I'm going to use web app instead. I'm already logged in, but for your child, you need to add in their S number with the @student@knoxschools.org and then their password, just like you did whenever you logged into their Chromebook. It's going to be the same email / username and password for a lot of this stuff. So I've already made our meeting for Monday. So you will click on that meeting. And since I made the meeting, but it should just take you to a page where it's like, has a screen where it's showing like a video camera. It has another one with the microphone or maybe something else. But anyways, you'll just hit join and then this is a page that will come up. So that is the page that you will have to come to, and then you just hit join now and it will take you to our class. Let me know if you all have any questions.